Today we are going to discuss about behavior of an individual in his team. So this is also a part of the communication series which I have started few days ago. In the last video, we discussed about the listening skills. Now today we will discuss that apart from the intellect of a person, it is also very important to behave properly or to show cordial behavior so as to succeed in an organization. We have seen a flock of sheep, right? Can we differentiate a sheep from another sheep? No, because they all look coherent. Similarly, a team of members, suppose 10 people, all of them have to have a mind of equal, you can say, wavelengths. Because a team always has to move together and a team has to produce the best results, and that is possible if all of them move in the coherent path, in the same path, the V path. We have read in our previous classes that the birds always fly in a V path, so that if one bird gets injured or is sick, other bird takes its place and the injured bird takes some time to recover. So team behavior is similar. So in a team we always face the issues like a person is sick, he's not able to come to the office, he's not able to perform today, what to do. So the team leader will decide that okay, let the team member rest, I will take his part, I will take his calls, or I will take his tasks of the day and I will try to complete it. In this practice, what happens is the team also gets a message that as a team you have to support your friend when he is failing, and also you have to celebrate. Like for example, suppose a team does very well in a particular project, they get awarded with pizza, or they get monetary awards and they go for a party. Parties are also very important to gel with the team. It helps in the ice breaking as well, and we have all gone through the great opportunities, or you can say great occasions, like welcome party. Suppose a new team member joins, or a new team leader joins, or a project manager joins, the entire team goes for a celebration. The main motto behind the celebration is mixing with the people, because we have people in our team who are not from the same background. There may be cultural background, there may be cultural differences, there may be language differences, there may be differences between caste, or there may be differences between race. So today, after the recent incident in USA, there has been a lot of slogans like say no to racism, and that is very important in a team. When you work in an MNC, you'll work with people of different races. White, black, grey, brown does not matter. You have to work for the common goal, and the goal is team effectiveness and achieving the targets. How will you achieve the targets? Only if your team is really performing good, only if your team is able to give its best, even when one person is injured, even if one person is feeling low. You have to motivate him. Now motivation we'll discuss in another chapter, but in this chapter I want to focus on the fact that how important is team behavior. As a team also, this was the rosy part. Now coming the thorny part. As a team you have to bear the brunt also as well. You are working in an organization. It is not guaranteed that every day will pass like a rosy day. There will be days when your entire project will fail, your entire testing will fail, your entire code will fail. What will you do then? You have your development team, you have your testing team, you have your database team. What will they do? All of them have to bear the brunt equally. The team manager will hold a meeting and will say to the people that today we have failed, but tomorrow we will unite and come as a good team, and we should not separate, or we should not disengage by just this small incident, right? So with this I want to conclude by saying that if you are part of a team, then you should, while time is good, you should support. When time is bad, then also you should support. You should not think that I will join that team, I will join team B because team A is in trouble. No, your team is your responsibility till you are in that organization, till you are in that project. It has to be. You cannot मतलब तुम मुंह नहीं फेर सकते, कुछ हो गया गड़बड़ तो बहुत होते हैं. My experience in the corporate says there are more gadbads than rosy days. क्योंकि teams are challenged. Sometimes teams are big. In one project the team may consist of people of 10 people, but in other project there may be a team of 150 people. So उसमें क्या करते हैं वो लोग 15 सब टीम कर देते हैं. So 15 सब टीम अगर करेंगे तो everyone pressure will be less. Okay, so team size actually doesn't matter. What matters is team spirit, unity and leader's role. Leader का क्या thinking है, what is the thinking, what is the principle followed by the leader. वो किसी टीम को मोटिवेट करता है. वो भले ही गाली दे, वो भले ही कोई भी बंदा काम नहीं कर रहा है उसको निकाले, जो भी स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाए लीडर को मानना चाहिए हमेशा. वो तो लीडरशिप का चैप्टर हो गया. तो आज का चैप्टर में हम इतना ही डिस्कशन करेंगे कि इफ़ यू आर जॉइंट ए टीम, अगर आपने उसको सुख में साथ दिया है तो दुख में भी साथ देना होगा. देयर इज़ नो एक्सक्यूज़ फॉर इट. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैड टू से. एंड करेंटली इट्स कोरोना टाइम गोइंग ऑन. Please take care of your health and wait for my next video. Thank you.